Hello friends, welcome to this new video on PowerPoint. So in this video, we'll take a look at how to format the text. Okay, so what we'll see is how to change the fonts of the text, okay, that we have written in PowerPoint, and then add different colors to the text. Okay, how to make the text bold, italics, underline, okay, and other things. Okay, how can we manipulate the text that we have inserted in the slide. So let's get started. So I'll take a fresh slide here. Okay. And I will go to Home tab and I'm going to insert a text box. So text box you can select from here. Okay, we have clicked on the text box. Now you click on the slide. So the text box is there on the slide. Now let's write some text. Say this is a video on changing the text, for example. Okay, and we can also write how to add new colors to our text. Okay, so suppose this is our text, and now what we there's a spelling error. Okay, so now this is our text, okay, that we have inserted inside this text box. And now what we want to do is we want to say, for example, I want to make the first line in bold. So what I'm going to do is, so first of all, click on the Home tab. Okay, so if you click on the Home tab, in this section, you are able to see this Calibri or some kind of font will show up, right? So what I'm going to do is, in order to make the first line bold, okay, if you see this capital B is written, right? So you click on this, okay, bold. So now what happens is, if you see, okay, the text has become bold. So it's very simple. Okay, you just need to go to the Home tab and then just click on bold and it will become bold. So now let's say I want to so let me shift this text box a little to the left, and now what I want to do is I want to make this bold text, I want to increase the font. Okay, say I want to increase the size to 36. So right now, as you can see, it is 18, right? So I will increase the font to 36. So just enter 36. Okay, and you see that the font size has increased, right? So now you see, right? So this is 36 font size. Now suppose I want to change the font of the lower line, okay, to a different font. So right now it's Calibri body. I will change it to, so you click on this down arrow, and now you get a lot of fonts right here. Okay, how do you want to display this line? So see, I can choose. Okay, so let's try this. Okay, Apple. We can try this Arial rounded empty. Okay, so let's click on this, and now you see that the lower line, okay, the font has changed to this one, Arial rounded. So now suppose if I want to make this lower line with a different color, I will select the color from this. So see, font color it is showing right in this tab, or you can select font color from here, or alternatively what you can do is you can select the text like this and right click. So on right click, this pop-up will come, and then you can select font from here. So if you click font, see, from here also you can change the font size. Okay, then what is the whether you want italic, bold, italic. Okay, so like we changed bold, right? That also you can do from here. Okay, so everything related to font you can do from this tab also. So that's fine. So let's change from here itself. So how to add new colors to our text? So let's change it to blue color. So now if you see, the color is changed. Now say example, I want to change the color of the last 4 words to green. So again I will click on this color, font color, and I will select say green color, and see the colors to our text. Okay, so this part has changed to green. So it's likewise, you can select whatever colors you want for the font color from here. And in case you want some more customized colors, then you go to more colors. So click on more colors, and then you will see this palette here. Okay, so there are some options here, like if you see this circle, right? So you can move your cursors here and there, and based on how do you want your color to be, you can basically use that. So similarly, you can use these pencils also, and use the color that you want. So for example, I'll show you an example. So I want to change this video to some color, but I do not want to change it. I want some red color, okay, but I do not want this red, okay. I want some different kind of red. So I will click on more colors, and I will select a red color. So see, there are there's this three colors, right? Some kine and liquor. This is salmon, okay. So let's select salmon here, okay. So let's click on this and let's click OK. So now you see that this is not exactly a red color, but it's a much a beautiful shade of red. So this is how, okay, you can use different kinds of colors, okay, in your text. You can play with the colors, okay, so it will make your presentation a little more appealing, right? So this is one thing. And second thing is, so we saw how to make our text bold, okay. Then how do we change the colors of our text? Now let's see how to make our text italic. So I want to change, so changing, right, changing the text. Let's make this part italic. So let's say I select this text, then I go to this this tab here, okay. On the home tab you see all these options related to font. So now you select this I. So just before after B, right, you can see I is written. So what I will do is I will make this italic. So I'll click on italic. Now see, this part of the text, changing the text, that has become italics, right? So right now it is bold, right? So I can say you can play with these options, okay. So make you can remove the bold option. So now you see, right? So it's not bold anymore, this part of the text, and it is italics. But so now the last thing that we wanted to see in this video is, suppose I want to underline the text, okay. So there's something that I want to highlight, okay, in my text. So how do I do that? So suppose I want that this video, okay, which is there in this pink kind of color, I want that I want to highlight it also with an underline. So what do I do is I select the word and then I go to this underline, right? So you see it says underline, right? So just click on this underline here and you see the video, okay, the word has been underlined. Similarly, if I want to say changing the text, I want to underline this. I select the text and then I click on underline. So this is also underlined. So this is how we can do the underlining of the text, just to highlight, okay, if there's some important point in your video, you can do that. Okay, so these are the few things, okay, that we can do with text, okay. And in the next video we're also going to take a look at how do we create spaces, how do we create bullets and all those things. So it will make the presentation really very beautiful, very appealing to the viewers, okay. And I hope you like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.